Phillip Williams, not the result you wanted. A lackluster team like Mobe, really come and surprise us and surprise the Premier League by winning you one love. Tell us about your team performance today.
The performance was way below par. The energy level wasn't where it should be. In terms of the pace in which we moved the ball around the park was also slow, and it's not acceptable. Could not be acceptable at this standard. Mobe did what they had to do, but in terms of our decision making in the final third, I see where we got a number of chances where we could have break the defensive line of this Mobe team, but because of poor decision, we weren't able to do so.
So what will you do to improve your team performance coming up in the last part of the season?
It's more mental than anything. Players need to know when to make passes and make runs, and at this stage for us to be teaching that it will surprise him, but working in the final third is definitely something that we'll have to do and try to see if we can get some tick on the board in terms of goal score for us.
Thank you very much, Coach Phillip Williams, and I wish you all the best for the rest of the season.
Thank you.